Virtual dimensions. Planning Analytics Workspace give you the capability to create dimensions that do not really exist in TM1, therefore they're called virtual dimensions, and they're used to do slicing and dicing in the workspace area. To do so, to create one of these, you need to be logged on as a PM user. The PM user is a super user that can see for cubes the dimensions, the views, and the calculations for that cube. Normal user do not see that much detail under a cube. Alright, so how do you do that? I'm looking at a view here, I'm in edit mode, and you see that product dimension, we are selling cars, and those are my cars in the product dimension. That dimension can be seen on the left hand side here, products or product. If I right click on it, if I want to create a virtual dimension, I can select this option that says edit dimension in a new tab. If I do so, a new tab opens in my web browser, opens this window. I click OK. I make this window a bit bigger, this way you can see really well. First of all, this is my dimension. I click the drop down and I select leaves. The product will show me all the leaf element for that dimension. Then I click the little tag and this will display all my attributes. And because I'm at the leaf element, you see I can see all the attributes. Well, I want to analyze my cars by interior style, which is an attribute on that dimension, interior style. So what you do, you select that column, you right click and you say create hierarchy. If you do that, the product says, are you sure you want to do that? You click OK, it is done. Now you see the leaf element have been organized by interior style, which are leather, cloth or vinyl. If I expand this, I do have my cars that have a leather interior, so on and so forth. Now you can go back to the previous tab and you can analyze your data with that virtual dimension. By the way, it comes under there, so when you expand products, you have the interior type when you refresh this little guy here. When you refresh it, you expand the cubes. Sales cube is the one we're looking at. Expand the dimension and you can see under the product dimension that interior style. If you want to use it, you right click your dimension and you say replace this hierarchy. I want to swap this hierarchy for my new virtual dimension. This is it. This is the one I just created. I click this one, I say replace, and now the product is showing me the same view using that dimension, that virtual dimension that breaks down my leaf elements per interior style, leather, cloth or vinyl. This was the presentation on virtual dimension in Planning Analytics Workspace. Thank you.